this is your code book. So in this Linux tutorial we are going to learn about a few basic Linux commands. The first Linux command is about pwd. It stands for print working directory. So the command is used to print the present working directory. So if I am typing pwd, it will gives the current working directory, desktop and Linux. So most of the time this command will help us to find the current working directory. And the second one is mkdir. So mkdir stands for make directory. So if I want to create any directory, I can use this command. For example, mkdir test. Okay, so I will create one directory called test. So the directory is created. The next, if you want to view the test directory, use the command. The next we will discuss that one also, ls. So you can see here the directory test is created. So this is the first one. It creates a directory inside current directory. And if you want to create a directory inside this another directory, we can do here mkdir. Okay, so look at the command -p and test. Here I will create input. So the directory is created inside the directory called as test. So the next command is cd, change directory. So pwd, this is my present working directory. Suppose I want to enter into this test. So change directory and then type the name of the directory. So test. Okay, so now use pwd. So look at the change, the desktop, Linux and then test. So this is about the change directory. Suppose you want to switch to a previous working directory, use cd hyphen. So now pwd. Okay, so now we are in Linux directory, and then switch to parent directory. Okay, cd space 2 dots. Okay, so now press pwd. So this is parent directory, and if you want to move to home directory, simply type cd, press enter. So pwd. So this is the home directory. So this command is used to change the working directory to the specified one. And the next one, list, very important things. So it lists out all the files and directories that exist inside the directory. Suppose here I am pressing ls. So these are the directories available in this current location. So now I am moving to using change directory, desktop and Linux. So press use ls. So there is a folder test. Again cd, change directory. Now press type ls. So you can see input. So cd input ls. there is no files inside this directory input. So this is the fourth one, ls, and fifth one, touch. Okay, so this command is used to create a empty file. So look at here. So I'm going to change this previous directory and press ls. So look at here, we don't have any files, only one directory, that is input. Now I'm going to create one empty file using this touch command. So touch hi1. Okay, so now press ls. You can see the new file is created, that name is hi1. So this touch command is used to create a new empty file. And then next one, copy. Okay, cp. The file is used to copy a file or directory to another place. So here cp hi1, I want to copy to hi2. So now use ls command. So you can see here, previously we have only hi1. So now using this cp command, we have copied the hi1 to hi2. The same again, we can copy the file into directory also. So now hi1, I'm going to copy this input directory. Okay, so enter. So cd input or ls input. So you can see here, so inside this input directory, the file hi1 is copied. Okay, so the cp command is used to copy a file or directory to another place. Okay, so again you can move to directory, change directory to input, and here use ls command. You can find that file, copied file. So this is another command. And next one, move. So mv, so the command is used to move the files or directory to another directory. So again, so another purpose of this command is it can be used to rename a file or directory. So I'm going to change this directory. So look at my working directory, and these are the files. So now I'm going to move this hi to this input directory. So move, the file name is hi2, and then I'm going to input. Okay, press enter, use ls command. Okay, so now the hi2 file is not available in this current working directory, because we moved the hi2 file to the input directory. Let us check. So change directory, input, and use ls command. Okay, you can find this hi2 file. So that is the one thing, it moves files and directories to another directory and then rename. Okay, so rename, move hi2 hi3. So use ls command. Now we can see only hi3. Okay, so the we renamed hi2 file into hi3. So that is another command, mv. And the next one, echo. So it displays the given text in the terminal. So echo. Okay, so what is the text we are giving in this echo command? This is displayed on the terminal. Okay, so one more example, echo hi. Okay, and the next CAT, so it stands for concatenate. So this command is used to view, create and concatenate files. Let me explain. So ls, okay, so here hi 1, hi 3 files are available, and I'm going to create one file info1.txt. Okay, so here the terminal is waiting for your input, so I am typing here welcome, and use Control D to save and quit this one. Okay, use Control D. This is I have created one file info1.txt, and then content is welcome. So to view the content of any file, use cat and then name of the file. Okay, so type ls, you can see the info1.txt created. So I'm going to create another one file, so info2.txt. Here my message is good day. Okay, again use Control D to save and quit this one. So now to view the content again, so info2.txt, so use ls command. Okay, so we have created info1.txt and info2.txt. So now I am going to concatenate these two files. So for concatenate, cat info1.txt and info2.txt, a greater symbol, and the new file info3.txt. So the meaning of this statement or this command is, we are going to concatenate info1.txt and info2.txt, and the new file is info3.txt. So use ls command. Okay, so previously we have only info1.txt and info2.txt. Now we have a new file info3.txt. So to view the content of this info3.txt, use cat info3.txt. So now you can see the contents of info1.txt and info2.txt added into the new file info3.txt. So this is about cat command. And then the last one in this tutorial, rm, that is the command is used to remove the file. So I use ls command to view the files. So I'm going to remove hi1. So okay, again use ls command. Now that file is not available. This is the to remove the particular file. Suppose if you want to remove directory, okay, so cd move to previous directory. So use ls command. Okay, so we have one file and one directory. hi1 is a file and input is a directory. Again we have one command that is know about this file of hi1. Okay, so that is empty file, and then file followed by input. So say it is a directory. So to remove any directory, if you are trying to remove input, okay, so we cannot remove that directory because it contains some file. So remove -r, that is recursive delete or remove, then the folder name. So then now use ls command to verify. So the file is not the directory is not available. Okay, and then so look at the current working directory and then use ls command. Okay, so again test folder is test directory is there. To remove this test directory, so interactive remove rm minus ri and then directory name. So descent into directory, so press yes, y, that means yes, and remove regular empty file, again press y, remove directory, yes. Okay, so this will help you. Unfortunately, we will delete something that will avoid using this interactive remove. So rm minus ri and then directory name. So use ls command. Okay, so the directory is deleted or removed from that system. So this is the last one, rm. Thank you. So far we discussed about a few basic Linux commands. Once again, thank you.